And our last teaching assistant for our last class is Lucky, who is clearly asleep on the job. But we don't blame her for that. She is a cat. They do sleep 20 hours a day. So for our last lecture of this course, we're going to talk about critical reflection. So basically how we evaluate ourselves and why celebration is so important in social work practice. First, though, I do want to mention that course evaluations are available, and I would love it if you could please complete them. My job and the future format of this course actually depend on your participation in these evaluations. Whether I'm kept on and employed at Wayne State University is determined by how I rate on the student evaluation of teaching. They're available at the link in your Canvas page. Okay, so looking at evaluation of ourselves through critical self-reflection. It's very important because it promotes continuous self-assessment, and it reminds us to focus not just on the personal at the individual level, but also on the political. So understand how factors outside of us are also going to impact our practice. And it invites us to question our dominant assumptions that we might have built up and that might be influencing how we treat people and how we engage in practice. And because we're doing all this questioning, it opens up spaces of possibility. So the possibility for change in how we approach our clients or how we respond to challenges. And really, it's a way of problematizing the normal, so calling it into question and looking at other ways of possibly doing things that might be more effective. So, as we end this class, consider how this learning journey has impacted you. How did we as a group do on our through our discussions with the small groups and with the students from South Africa? What did you learn? What can you apply in your future social work practice? And lastly, don't forget the importance of celebration. Celebrate the small victories. Celebrate even when you hit a roadblock, because it means that people are reacting to you and your ideas. Really turn the conversation away from how difficult and time-consuming and challenging social work is, to celebrating the small victories that we manage to accomplish every day. For instance, celebrate the fact that you have now finished this class. Celebrate the fact that the summer semester is almost here and you're going to be free of school for a while before the fall semester arrives. Celebrate the fact that it's spring and there's no more snow. Of course, since I say that, it's going to snow tomorrow, but hopefully not. So celebrate yourselves